So for this tutorial we are going to be checking on how to sort an array list. So to sort an array list we'll be using a superclass called collections. So as you can see, I have previously imported it. It's deriving from the java.util package, so we are using this collections superclass. So what we can do is to sort, you can see that we have a list of names, Adam, Manny, Eve, Tyler and Chris. So as you can see that they have not been added into the array list in order, so they are not in order, so we want to order them, so we want to sort it. So for us to sort it, we are using the collections superclass. So the collection superclass has a method called sort. So what we're going to do is use collections dot sort. So in this sort method, what we have to do is we have to use our array list reference, pass it over here, and in case you all get an error over here, it's basically because you don't have the import. If you all get this error, just import it from the Java util package and you would get this import in your program. So now if I want to print this out, let's have a comparison of what it looked before and what it's looking after it's been sorted properly. So if we run this program now, you can see before we use the sort method, it was not sorted properly. You had Adam over here, you had Chris over here, you had Eve over here, Tyler and Manny over here. But after we use the collections sort method, we ordered this according to the ascending order. So Adam, Chris, Eve, Manny, Tyler are now ordered properly. So that's the way to sort your list according to ascending order. So in case if you're wondering how to sort this according to descending order, it's really easy. What you do is then this method will accept two arguments, the other argument being collections dot reverse order. We're going to be using a method called reverse order. So after we print this out now, after we run the program, you can see that it has been sorted in reverse order or descending order. So another cool thing to remember is if you want to know the logic, now this is kind of like an API, so we are just passing our values inside. We don't know the logic behind this sort method, and it does all the sorting behind the scenes. So if you want to see what's the logic that this sort method is using, just use control in your keyboard and press the left click in your mouse, and it will take you inside the collections class, and now it has taken you inside the sort method. So this is the sort method. So these are the kind of instructions that these people that created this class have written regarding how to use these kind of methods. So as you can see, there are a lot of methods, that built-in methods that we can use, and the sort method is something that we used right now. So this is the logic behind the sort method. So that's a cool trick to remember. So stay tuned for more ArrayList tutorials. Thank you.